Hi guys! Good afternoon! We're here in D3rd Auto Shop at nandito na naman kami kasi for the second time around, take note, second time, andito yung buyer namin ulit and this time from Almera. Ngayon meron na silang 2013 Hyundai Starex Automatic Diesel. Approved na approved si Ma'am Freelancer, so tanungin natin, experience nila sa amin. Hello Ma'am! Kamusta po?
Hi! Hello!
Ayan ma'am. So ma'am, since second time buyer po namin kayo, bakit sa amin pa rin po kayo kumuha ng sasakyan?
Based experience ko, mula simula hanggang ngayong second time, sobrang smooth ng transaction at ang D3rd, hindi lang nila kayo tutulungan for them to earn money but they will help you to get your dream car. Kaya naman bumalik kami sa D3rd.
Narinig nyo yan, di ba? So katulad ni ma'am, pwede rin yung mangyari sa inyo. Lahat ng what ifs nyo, pwede yan dito. So if I were you, para maging katulad nyo si ma'am, makuha nyo yung dream car nyo at makasama nyo kami sa tagumpay nyo, punta na kayo dito. We're located in Imus, Cavite and sure na sure kaming will help you get the car of your choice. Bye!
Yeah! Panababa! Let's go! Let's go! Gusto mo ba ng sasakyan na swak sa'yo? Sa D3rd Auto Display, siguradong panalo. Walid